Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel.
Good afternoon. I have a reservation.
Wonderful. May I have your name, please?
My name is John Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Let me check your reservation.
Sure.
Yes, I found it. You booked a deluxe room for 3 nights.
That's right.
May I see your passport or ID, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. I'll make a copy of your ID.
Okay. Sure.
Could you please fill out this registration form?
Sure. Give me a moment.
Take your time.
I am done.
Could you please fill out this registration form?
Sure. Give me a moment.
Sure.
Yes. It's 1 to 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0.
Thank you. How would you like to pay? Cash or card?
I'll pay by credit card.
Great. Please tap or insert your card.
Done.
Your payment has been approved.
Perfect.
Would you like one room, key, or two?
2 keys, please.
Certainly. Here are your room keys.
Thank you.
Your room number is 305 on the 3rd floor.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included and is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the ground floor.
That's great.
We also have free Wi-Fi, a swimming pool, and a fitness center.
Excellent. What's the Wi-Fi password?
It's written on the key card holder.
Thank you.
Would you like help with your luggage?
Yes, please.
I'll ask our bellboy to assist you. You're welcome. Do you have any other questions?
Yes. What time is checkout?
Checkout is before 12 o'clock noon.
Okay, that's fine.
We hope you enjoy your stay.
I'm sure I will. Good morning, sir. How may I help you? Good morning. I'd like to check out, please.
Certainly. May I have your room number?
It's room 305.
Thank you. May I have your room key, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Please give me a moment while I check your account. Everything looks fine. You stayed for 3 nights.
Yes, that's correct.
Your total bill is $285, including taxes.
Can I pay by credit card?
Of course, please insert or tap your card.
Done.
Your payment has been approved.
Great.
Would you like a printed receipt or an email receipt?
Please send it to my email.
Certainly. Is your email address still john.smith@email.com?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Did you use the minibar or room service?
No, I didn't.
All right. Everything has been checked.
Could you please call a taxi for me?
Of course. Where are you going?
I'm going to the airport.
No problem. A taxi will arrive in about 5 minutes. That's great. Thank you. Did you enjoy your stay with us?
Yes, I did. The room was clean, and the staff were very friendly.
We're happy to hear that.
I'll definitely stay here again next time.
We'd love to welcome you back.
Thank you for everything.
You're very welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.